Oh, I had those slacks and the high collar shirts. Yeah.
Yeah, we all made that mistake.
Hey guys, I'm Michael.
And I'm Lee, and
We are two old dudes.
Unless one of us has a heart attack, and then we'll be one old dude. But let's hope we can get through the song before that happens.
It's okay. I'll continue without you. All right, Perry. You got the song?
Let's see. The envelope, please, sir. Perry, our engineer, not quite camera ready. So the band is Doja Cat, D-O-J-A Cat, and the name of the song is Say So. Doja Cat, no clue,
No
never
idea.
heard of it.
Yeah.
Does it suggest anything? Doja Cat.
It sounds like dojo, like karate. But
Why does it kind of remind me of like anime or something?
oh,
like
that could be cool.
Yeah,
That would be cool.
I suggest that this artist is an anime.
Yeah, what's the song's name?
Say So.
Say So. All right.
All right, let's
Cool.
roll it.
Let's do it. Oh. Feeling retro.
Marilyn Monroe.
Like serious 70s vibe, like right off the bat.
Yeah,
this is
really.
very cool.
This is when we were.
This is really like a new song, Perry, because it's feeling very cool.
It's when we were teenagers. That feeling.
Yeah.
Didn't even notice, no punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so. Didn't have to moan it, keeping me in the moment. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so. It's been a long time since you.
Okay. Can I just say it?
Yeah.
What we're both thinking. She's hot. I mean, all the girls in this video are beautiful, and I really love the wardrobe with the stripes and the whole 70s vibe and everything about it.
You know what I was almost more impressed about?
What?
That vinyl collection in the background.
Oh, yeah.
I'm like, I want to get my hands on that.
They must have read it at a record store.
Yeah.
All right.
Feeling alive. You ain't coming out yourself. You ain't really think yourself. Tell me what must I do? Damn my love. 'Cause luckily I'm good at reading. I wouldn't bug him and he won't stop cheesing. And we can dance all day around it. If you frontin', I'll be bouncing. If you want it, scream it, shout it, babe.
All right, did you see that dude's hair?
Yeah.
It was like a 70s fro,
Yeah.
like a perm. I used to have that.
Oh, yeah.
You had a perm too?
There's only one picture of me with a perm, and no one's going to
There's
see
only
it.
one of me as well.
No one's going to see it.
If you try, didn't have to moan it, keeping me in the moment. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so? Didn't have to moan it, keeping me in the moment. I bet you hadn't known it. Why don't you say so? Didn't even notice, no punches got to roll with. You got to keep me focused. You wanna say so?
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like zip. Like it, love it, need it, bad. Take it, own it, steal it, fast. The boy stop playing, grab my ass.
Acting like you shy.
Shut it, save it, keep it pushing while you beating round the bush and knowing you want all this woman.
Never knock it till you try.
You know, her outfits and her hair remind me kind of like the Pointer Sisters, like when you had a background vocal.
Right.
Yeah, and they'd be sitting there dancing and stuff. Yeah, that's the total vibe it's going for there.
Yeah, and if you look to like the furnishings in the house, all of it, it's all that 70s.
Oh yeah,
vibe
absolutely.
to it. It's great.
I'm waiting for it to cut into like an American bandstand where everyone starts
Everybody's
dancing
dancing.
down, going down the middle. Yeah.
All of them bitches hating, I have you with me. All of my niggas saying you mad committed. Really to anybody, you had them pretty. All of the body, I need ass and titties.
Oh, here we go. Tired. I mean, we're back in the disco era.
Absolutely.
This is
It's
totally
like this is like a
disco.
new old song.
The music it reminds me of Donna Summer. Who else from that era? God, it's been so long, but yeah, it's a very disco feel. The clothes these guys are wearing,
Oh,
looks like
absolutely.
the kind of stuff we wore in the 70s. Going,
Oh, I had those slacks and the high collar shirts. Yeah.
yeah, we all made that mistake.
Danny Trevino right there. You can't do a 70s remake without a little Bee Gees action in there. It's kind of cool. I'm digging the beat, that repetition. First of all, it's easy to dance to, right?
Right.
So you can get out there and just groove.
I mean, it's a dance song.
Oh, yeah.
Can we say that?
Yeah. You know what? It's perfect party music, man. Whether you're inside, outside, whatever, just background music, you could put that on repeat and just be good like all night long.
Well, this is the one when the DJ cranks this up, everybody hits the floor.
Yeah, absolutely.
And as I was trying to think of the disco era, I started thinking about Saturday Night Fever.
Yeah.
The movie with John Travolta, the Bee Gees did the soundtrack, and others as well.
Yeah, Studio
And
51 was huge.
if you want to go back and see the origins of that, go watch some old Bee Gees clips from Saturday Night Fever.
Oh,
like
absolutely,
Staying Alive, some of those songs. But this is something that, this took us back. Agreed.
Oh, absolutely.
To the 70s, which was, we were teenagers. This was our heyday. Teens, early 20s, we were out there living large and just, it was a party 24/7. And this was similar to a lot of the music that we listened to then.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Except for, we had like little AM, FM radios, and then you try and
Right.
record the song,
Right,
and you wait all day long for it to come on the radio so you could hit record.
That's right. That's right. That was before
Yeah.
streaming. That was before, a lot of stuff. So,
Yeah.
hey, we almost forgot one thing.
Yeah.
Click, subscribe,
Comment.
comment.
Down here.
Did I leave one out? There's like 4 or 5 things that
You could mail us.
Yeah.
We still get mail.
Yeah, we get snail
Postcards.
mail.
Oh, and 2olddudes at AOL.com.
Yeah, is our email. Hit us up.
It's been forever.
It has. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us.
Awesome. See ya.